job, and the state will reply accordingly to that.
The state government is looking at starting the classes of the Shillong Engineering College by the next academic session. As soon as the infrastructure is ready, we will sit, discuss and start at the earliest. We will see whether the next academic session will be possible to start. The classes will start from the next academic session, said Minister in Charge Education Rakame Sangma. The Shillong Engineering College is likely to welcome students for its first academic session, is unlikely to welcome students for its first academic session this year, as the state government is yet to get the approval from the All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE.
As the infrastructure is ready, we will sit, we will discuss, and we will start at the earliest. We will see whether next academic session will be possible to start it on it. But most of the institutions whose building infrastructure is completed will be, or the classes will start from next academic session.